Welcome to the Philippines again, Mario.
Thank you.
And welcome to Manila, Byfern. How does it feel to be back here, Mario?
My feeling being back here is very great. I wanted to be back here, since last year because, but I have many projects on the way, so it's a very good chance coming back here and meeting my fans.
This is the first time I'm meeting Byfern, and you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
The first time you learned that you're going to Manila, what came to your mind?
จริงๆทุกคนที่นี่ก็ต้อนรับเป็นอย่างอบอุ่นมากเลยค่ะแล้วก็ดีใจที่มารับกันที่สนามบินแล้วก็ดีใจที่ทุกคนรักสิ่งเล็กๆค่ะ
Unang nagtambal sina Mario at Byfern noong 2010 sa pelikulang Crazy Little Thing Called Love na tumatalakay sa makulay na first love. At noong isang taon, bumida sa kanyang kauna-unahang Filipino film si Mario, ang Suddenly It's Magic, kasama si Erich Gonzalez.
What do you miss most about the Filipinos?
I miss the people. I miss the people I know here and all my fans also.
The food.
The food, yeah. But when I come here to Philippines, I never get to eat the Filipino food.
Not yet. Not
Not yet.
But if there's something that you would like to offer to Byfern, something to taste, what would it be?
I wanted to taste balut because I think it's something that she will like.
Have you heard of it? Balut?
Yes.
You want to try it?
I don't know.
Why? Why not?
เพราะว่าพี่โอบอกว่าเปิดออกแล้วมันมีเลือดออกมาด้วย
You've tried it, right?
No.
Not yet.
I will let her try first.
Okay. Girls, ladies first.
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay. Would you encourage Byfern to also do a movie here in the Philippines?
Yes, of course. I would like to encourage her to for a movie, But she already joined in the Suddenly It's Magic.
I know.
Yeah, so of course.
Would you love to have a movie also here in the Philippines?
อยากทำหนังที่นี่อยากค่ะเพราะมีโอกาสได้ร่วมงานกับฟิลิปปินส์ทีมงานฟิลิปปินส์ตั้งแต่ตอน Suddenly แล้วทุกคนก็น่ารักมากแล้วก็ถ้ามีโอกาสก็อยากร่วมงานอีกค่ะ
Sa ngayon, abala si Mario para sa kanyang pinakabagong Thai movie na PMAC. Ipapalabas ito dito sa Pilipinas sa August 28. MJ Felipe para sa Umagang Balita.